The fourth policy is on energy management. It is the policy of Crispan used to practice and support energy conservation efforts, and is the duty and responsibility of every member of the hotel team from top-level management down to the last employee in order to implement an effective energy conservation strategy. The cooperation of all departments in the hotel is absolutely essential. The objectives set should be realistic, specific, attainable, and measurable. Formation of an energy conservation committee to meet on a regular basis to review progress and to present ideas and recommendations, as employees will be the key to the success of the energy conservation program. Plans to have regular training sessions must be prepared. Are there ways that we can conserve energy here in Crispan? Are there things you can suggest? Is there anything you have noticed? That is what this policy is all about. If you have noticed ways that we have been wasting use of energy, then you are supposed to suggest that. You're supposed to make recommendations. So energy conservation, that way you're saving the company, you're saving your organization a lot of money. Once every conservation measures has been taken, they must be constantly maintained and kept perpetually ongoing. The engineering department will continue to update the program at regular intervals and must include information on state-of-the-art technology that assists in energy conservation. That is clear, right? So number one is that you have to develop something from your department. Something like, if you're leaving your office, turn off your lights. Is that not so? Policies like that, it should come out from your department as a memo. Then during the general training, general meetings, you can educate, even if it's just 5 minutes on energy conservation. You talk to the staff, you talk to everybody that these are some ways you can help the organization to conserve energy. Don't waste. Don't leave anything that you're not using on. Don't leave the lights in your office and go home. Always put it off. Or you are passing and you see that there is light on where it's not needed, you turn it off. Sometimes some halls are empty, nobody is inside, but the AC is on, and you see the chairman running to go and put it off because it's he who wears the shoe that knows where it bites. But we are a team, we are supposed to be one. So when you see things like that, you should know that this is energy wasting, and you put it off. So this should come from your department. Enlightening, teaching other staff, please, let's conserve energy use.